Can first home buyers really buy a property and get their deposit back? Yes, and here's how they did it. Shara and Brian, both in their early 30s, had finally saved enough for their first home in Glenfield, Auckland. Like many first home buyers, their budget couldn't stretch to a fully renovated property. New homes were simply out of reach. Instead, they bought a tired 3-bedroom house with a rundown kitchen, basic bathroom, and dated interior.
So this is the study here. We need to remove all the wallpaper and 2 LED downlights in the ceiling. We're gonna move all the curtains, blinds, chuck them to the bin. This door here, we're gonna remove it and build a sliding door instead of it. In the bathroom, what we're gonna do, we're gonna have a shower 900 by 1.2 with a sliding door.
It was livable, but only just. The walls needed repainting, the kitchen was falling apart, and the whole house felt like a project. Although they had enough saved to purchase the home, there wasn't much left for a renovation. With little renovation experience, they feared blowing the budget and making costly mistakes. The uncertainty of the renovation process was overwhelming. At first, they looked into DIY options and ways to cut corners, but quickly realized they didn't know where to begin. Quotes varied widely, and they felt stuck. The risk of making the wrong decision was too high. That's when they met James Gorin from the renovation team. James offered a fixed-price renovation package tailored to their needs and budget. With clear pricing and a defined timeline, Shara and Brian could relax, knowing professionals were handling everything. With no surprises. The renovation transformed the outdated home into a modern, comfortable space, on time and within budget.
Hi, we're really pleased with the results of the work that was done here at 14 Hadalo, and we thank you so much for all the work that you've done.
Thanks for
Stay
this,
safe
it's
and-
really a good gift for us.
Yeah.
Shara and Brian were thrilled. But the biggest surprise? After the renovation, their property was revalued. They were able to refinance with the bank and pull out their original deposit. In short, they got their money back and now own a beautiful, upgraded home with new equity. Like many first-time buyers, Shara and Brian feared hidden renovation costs and making costly mistakes. By choosing the renovation team, they stayed on budget, increased their property's value, and gained financial breathing room. Yes, you can buy a do-up, renovate smartly, and even get your deposit back. Contact James from the renovation team today, and let's transform your newly purchased home into a space you'll love, while boosting its market value.